about doing the things right the first time. Doing them right when the time is right. And the time is right for electric to go Audi. There's a saying that dates back to Benjamin Franklin and his famous experiments on electricity. When you achieve something remarkable, you have caught lightning in a bottle. The collective power of our designers, our engineers, our dealers, and our customers, and have created something special, truly special. Our first fully electric car, the Audi e-tron. We want to merge the new world of electric mobility together with 100 years of experience of manufacturing premium cars. At Audi, we strive to be the trendsetters for autonomous mobility. And at Audi, we strive to take electric mobility to the next level. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time. It's time to show the world exactly what we mean when we say electric has gone Audi.
Thank you. This is where Audi design stands for: technology in perfect harmony with design. We came up with the idea that single frame is not a radiator anymore because there is no engine behind. That's why we came up with the idea, what about we invert the single frame by color to create a new look, but still a very familiar face for an Audi. This car is best in class in aerodynamic. And aerodynamics is important because it will extend the range. But there's something even more important. Imagine that there's no noise anymore from the engine. That's why you're very sensitive to hear all the wind noises. Because of this aerodynamic, it's even up to high speed levels almost quiet. It's a complete new driving experience. You have to try this.
For here in America, it's the beginning of a new chapter in a story that really began 50 years ago. In 1969, America, of course, put the first man on the moon, and Audi put a different kind of spaceship on our roads for the very first time. And when Audi has delivered on its promise of premium electric leadership, it will be proof that tonight, in fact, was only the very beginning. Thank you very, very much.